Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today I am going to show you how to install any Android game data and OV folder to SD card with root access. If you don't have root access, don't worry, you can find video for you this video description. But that method doesn't support some games, so I decided to make this video for rooted mobiles. So let's continue and see how to do this. First of all, you must install this application to your phone. You can find this APK from this video description. After that, install it. Then open the application. Grant root permission to application. Then it will show you these messages. Now click OK and wait several minutes for install complete. After that, your phone will be automatically rebooted. Then install your game and create a folder on your internal storage, Android, data and OBB folder. You can see this is my data folder, and also create a OBB file if you need it. Then if you have any data file in a zip file, or otherwise if you need to download it, download the zip file and move to external SD card Android data folder like this. You can see this is my data folder. Now rename it. Now you can see this is my data folder. Let's check this game is working with this setup or not. Now you can see it's showing to download the data file. So I am going to close this application. Then open folder mount application once again. Now click this plus button. Enter a name. Now click social folder. This folder will be always in your phone memory. Go to Android, data and select this game data folder and click here. If you get in this message like this, click no. Now click destination folder, and this folder is your external SD card folder. Go to your external SD card and Android data. Then select this once again. If they ask again, click no. Now click this. Then turn on this tick once again. Open your game application. Now you can see your game is downloaded successfully and working fine. If you need this application, You can find this application from this video description, and it's a mod APK. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, join with me for future updates, and videos like this.